Hi faves, so here is the sleeve tutorial of our dress. Please stay tuned, watch to the end, like it, share it, send to a friend to send to a friend. For mine, I got 1.5 yard of organza fabric and then 1 yard chantilly net.
Right, so
let's
here,
get started.
From my starting line, I'll mark my cap's height, my elbow line here, which is like 3/4 inch, and then the full length I'm working with is 23 inches. Cap's height, here my elbow line, my full length. I'll impute my armhole divided by 2. My armhole, this is a bit stretchy, so I won't be adding any allowance to it. Now this point, connect it to this point with a slant. Now divide this point, this line, into 2. Divide it into 2. Connect this point like this. Make sure this is on the, like this point. Like this. See, so just blend that in. There should be a line here, and that's my sleeve, short sleeve length, just so that it gives it a little bit of shape. Sleeve, so that you can have a bit of shape. On here, I have 14 inches divided by 2. Here, I have 13 inches. That's 6.5. Here, this point, like this, and I have 10 inches, so I'm just going to connect all these points together. So all that is left now is to cut this. I'm going to cut this on it. Right, so here is what I have for my sleeve. Here with me is my organza fabric. I have 6 pieces here. Like I said earlier, I have 6 of this. My 1.5 was able to cut 6 of this by the length of 60 inches. The width is 9 inches. So what you're going to do is to fold this into 2. All right. Now run a loose stitch around it in order to gather it like this. I'll be making use of 3 for each sleeve. Pick one of it, fold this over like this, half an inch inward first, and then half an inch again, then you stitch it down. So come up by ½ inch above the sleeve hem and you start stitching this to it like so. Kindly take note of the placement before stitching. The rough part of my ruffles faces up. It's upwards, not downwards as shown. And as you gather this around the sleeve hem, you will notice some excesses. Just pleat these excesses in so that you won't need to cut out from the organza again. In placing the second ruffle, just come ½ inch away from that first one and stitch it down the same way you stitched the first one. So now that we are done with this first 2 steps, now this third step, here is what to do. So to this third step, we won't place it this way. Instead, we will place it for this rough edge here, to kiss this rough edge here, because we can't place it this way because we don't want the rough edge to be outside. Make sure this rough edge is on the same line here. Any pleats you have to do, make sure it is done at the center of this ruffle. As it is now, you want to fold this over and stitch it down, just so that it covers, it helps us cover the rough part. Fold it over like this and stitch on it. All we need to do now is to put the sleeve together, like so. Now put the sleeve together like this. So there's a way we are joining this will not be joined together, because the way we joined, we are only picking these two that has the same direction. Okay, they both have the same direction, and so we are stitching that down same way like this. After you turn it out to the right side, you see the last stitch. You just join it. Just join it, stitch it down. Okay. After you stitch it down, so to make it more neat, you can just tack it to this place. I'll just stack it like this, just a little stitch to just hold it down. Okay, just so that the rough edges doesn't show. So guys, so our sleeve is ready. You will now go ahead to do the same on the second sleeve. Join it, and then you fix this to your dress. See, she's looking beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys.